that it's even news that ICE is doing its job.
The issue has been a popular topic among 2020 Democratic presidential candidates, with some accusing President Trump of ordering these raids as a distraction.
He wants us to be talking about this today, and he uses these people as political pawns. He wants chaos because it distracts everyone from all of these other things we should be talking about.
The mayors of several cities where raids are planned say local authorities will not assist agents in the process.
Disrupting families who are just here trying to live their life, that's not who we are or should be as Americans.
Los Angeles Mayor Eric Garcetti tweeting this morning, "We are not coordinating with ICE." ICE responding with their own statement on Twitter saying communities are safer when law enforcement agencies work together. Stephanie Ramos, ABC News, Washington.
And we continue our coverage of Barry. While the storm made landfall in Louisiana, it also dumped heavy rain on Alabama. But some people are trying to make the most of it, having a little fun in the streets on ATVs and boogie boards there. But we do want to note, that people are being told to stay away and stay safe from those floodwaters when possible.
I'm just trying to make a little bit of fun out there, but they got to do it safely.
Yeah, that's some dangerous work there.
Even later in the week, some of the leftover moisture from Barry could be here, but it's not going to be in the same intensity. The big story this week will be the heat that builds up, but we do have one nice day headed our way. But I do want to first off give a shout out today. I was doing a little grocery shopping on Sunday morning, and I ran into the Chantilly Chargers dance team. They were outside selling baked goods to raise money for their dance team, and someone recognized my voice, they said, and I was like, wow, high schoolers that watch news is like huge, right? So we did a little snap there and got to hang out. My daughter got in the picture with the dancers, and one of their dance instructors, Heidi. Miss Heidi was there, Heidi Stafford. So great meeting these ladies. Got some baked goods and a little donation to the cause. But it was a fun morning out there. All right, let's talk about what's happening around here. Tropical Storm Barry is no longer a tropical storm, downgraded to a depression now with the winds of 35 miles per hour gusting to 45. The storm will continue to turn northward as it continues to lose some intensity, but it's going to bring copious amounts of rain from the mid-south right on up into Missouri. In fact, here's an outlook for the week ahead from NOAA, and they put out this prediction. Says these spots you see highlighted here, these are places that could see 6 to 10 inches of rain. I mean, obviously down along the Louisiana, eastern Texas, and portions of Mississippi, but even into portions of Tennessee and Arkansas. So this is far-reaching, the reach, if you will, of all that moisture from Barry as it continues to trek to the north and east. Beautiful shot right now from the Bay Bridge. Probably a lot of action out there today as folks make their way back over to the other side of the bridge heading home. 91 at this hour, 91 right now in Leesburg, Gaithersburg at 89, 90 in Frederick, 94 down in Quantico. It's pretty warm out there, and you factor the humidity, it feels like the upper 90s. So still very muggy feel out there, but I mentioned a shower or storm or two. That's actually a little bit of a frontal system coming through that will drop back our humidity briefly. We have a few clouds around here, but the only storm I could find was southwest of town. As we head through the evening, the sun will set. All in all, a very comfortable evening to be out of doors. Big radar picture. There's one strong cell way down to our south and west, and right now maybe a sprinkle from Locustdale over to Ruckersville, where there's a few strikes of lightning down through Greene County, and that's all she wrote. Futurecast for tomorrow showing a nice day, upper 80s, but no humidity. A stray storm, maybe southwest, far, far away, but I think we're A-OK. Monday night swim meets, no issues whatsoever. Tuesday, the heat and humidity start to bubble back up again. Temperatures will work their way tomorrow in the afternoon, and then into Tuesday in the afternoon, probably in the low 90s, and there could be a few storms later on Tuesday. That would be our next best shot. So overnight temperatures in the 60s and 70s. Humidity remains in check. Tomorrow, one of our nicest days of the week. A touch less humid at 89, but look what happens as we head through the week. By Tuesday and Wednesday, low and middle 90s could feel as warm as near 100 on Tuesday, could feel like 103 by the time we get to Wednesday. So we're in the thick of things as far as the heat and humidity is concerned. Another heat wave just around the corner. Let's get a look at what's happening with sports. A big day in tennis, Scott.
Yeah, Brian, a Wimbledon final to remember. It took a fifth set tiebreaker to crown a champion between Roger Federer and Novak Djokovic. Plus, the Nats trying to break out the brooms in Philly. This one not lacking for drama. Sports is next. Stay with us.
Injured on the job? Remember, most Americans only have 2 weeks of savings. Call 1-800-JUSTICE for a free case evaluation. Your family's counting on you. Goldberg Finnegan, protecting your rights.
My name is Conrad Shan. I do imaging informatics and cybersecurity. And I tell everybody I'm a University of Maryland University College graduate. professors at UMUC are very knowledgeable. They work in the industry. They will help you with your career. Because I got a degree from UMUC, I got promotions that helped me move up in the world and earn more for my family.
Learn more at umUC.edu.
Every single morning and again at night, you should always brush your teeth from the left to the right. Fight cavities and get your checkups on. Etiquette, carrying office with us, lots of fun. Do you take most insurance?
Yeah, you bet.
Quality care with Medicaid?
Yeah. No sweat.
Clean all your pearly whites in the front spot. For teeth exams, cavities get fought. Yeah. Captain Smile says, brush your teeth.
Adventure Dental and Orthodontics makes it easy to get your kids the care they need. Call or go online today.
Brush your teeth.
I'm Kevin Goldberg. If you've been hurt in an accident,